Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You need admin rights, so run an elevated account and open local security policy now. Type SecPol, MSC in Start and press Enter. This launches the console. Once done, inspect the current policy nodes, account policies, local policies, and advanced audit settings so you understand baseline behavior. Make sure to export or capture the existing configuration before edits. This gives you an easy rollback. Now focus on the specific policy you must change, because jumping into a random setting can break authentication or permissions. You're now locating the exact policy. Go to Security Settings, then Local Policies, and open User Rights Assignment or Security options depending on your goal. Once found, double-click the policy to edit, remove or add groups and accounts with the provided buttons, and prefer group names over individual users for maintainability. Make deliberate changes, then click Apply and OK to commit. Remember, some policies require a log-off, reboot, or group policy refresh to actually take effect, so plan the change window accordingly. Finish by forcing an update or restarting the machine so changes apply. Run jeepupdate/force, then validate with jeepresult or the policy console. You want to confirm the intended accounts now have or lack the right you set, and check event logs for related entries. If you configured audit settings, review the security log to verify expected events. If something breaks, restore the exported configuration you saved earlier or reverse the last change. Then retest. This rollback is the fastest way to recover from a misapplied policy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.